Hello kids, how are you all? Let's learn about colors first. Sky blue color, peach color, orange color. Repeat after me. It's orange color, brown color, pink color, green color, light green color, blue color, black color, yellow color, red color, violet color. Today we are going to learn about missing alphabets. So let's start it. A. A for apple. A for apple. What comes after A? B. Letter B. B is for ball. B is for ball. Trace it. It's A. 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 B. C. Letter C. C is for cat. C is for cat. And this one is D. D. D is for donkey. D is for donkey. And what comes after D? E. What comes after D? E. E is for eagle. E is for eagle. This one is F. F. F is for frog. F is for frog. What comes after F? G. What comes after F? G. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. And this one is H. H. H is for hen. H is for hen. And this one is I. I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. What comes after I? J. J. J is for jelly. J is for jelly. This one is K. K. K is for kite. K is for kite. What comes after K? L. L. L is for lion. L is for lion. And next is M. It's a letter M. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. What comes after M? N. What comes after M? N. N is for nails. N is for nails. And next letter is O. O is for owl. O is for owl. And this one is P. Say everyone, P. P is for peacock. P is for peacock. What comes after P? What comes after P? Q. What comes after P? Q. Very good. And this one is R. R. R is for rat. R is for rat. Very good. And next letter is S. S. S is for snake. S is for snake. Next letter is T. T. T for tiger. T is for tiger. What comes after T? U. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. And next letter is V. V. V is for van. V is for van. W. Next letter is W. W is for watch. W is for watch. And this one is X. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. And next letter is Y. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. And last letter is Z. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Very good. Now let's revise. A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for hen. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jug. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nails. O. O is for owl. P. P is for peacock. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rat. S. S is for sun. T. T is for temple. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for watch. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yak. Z. Z is for zebra. That's it for today, kids. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.